Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, Europe's gas alarm bells, why U.S. LNG is back in the spotlight. In today's article, we've got an image of an LNG tanker from Samsung Heavy Industries. Europe is starting 2026 with a growing energy vulnerability. Natural gas storage levels across the EU have slipped below 60%, with Gazprom data showing inventories at just 58.1% as of January the 6th. Germany, the region's largest gas consumer, is in an even tighter position at 54.1%, well below last year's levels. The drawdown has been swift. EU storage is 10.7 BCM or billion cubic meters lower than January 2025, driven by a powerful Arctic outbreak now gripping the continent. Forecasts point to temperatures 5 to 15 Celsius below normal, with polar vortex disruptions bringing heavy snow and sustained cold through mid January. Kpler's early outlook projected end of season storage near 36%, but with colder weather intensifying, estimates now suggest less than 1 TCF remaining at the end of the 2025-26 withdrawal season. That margin leaves Europe increasingly exposed and heavily reliant on imports to balance the system. This is where U.S. LNG re enters center stage. Tight European balances are putting a firm bid under Atlantic Basin LNG, reinforcing the strategic role of U.S. supply in global energy security. Timing matters. Cheniere's Corpus Christi Train 4, which reached FID in June of 2025, is advancing to add critical new capacity. At the same time, Golden Pass's Train 1 is nearing startup, with cool-down cargoes arriving and first exports expected in early 2026. Incremental U.S. volumes could not be coming at a more pivotal point. Europe's storage challenges highlight a broader reality, flexibility, and scale increasingly define energy resilience. As weather risks, geopolitics, and demand volatility collide, U.S. LNG remains a key stabilizer in global gas markets. What's your take? Does this mark a sustained shift in Europe's LNG dependency? You can learn more on the links included in today's article. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.